So now I'm a dog walker. Come on. Everywhere man is now a dog walker. Lady at the bar here had the dog, and the dog was getting a little restless. Needed a little walk. There we go. Good girl. I don't know her name. So, where you going? Let's go this way. Let's get up here. Look, there's one of your buddies. There's another puppy over there. Hey, come on. What's up? How you doing? You want to say hi? She's friendly. You want to say hi? She's friendly. There we go. Ruffington, huh? Ruffington. Oh, whoa, whoa. She's like, wait, I want to try it now. I want to try it. Single to mingle. The Wango Tango. Crazy people of Silverton. This place burnt years ago. Nobody's done anything with it. From what I was told, they put a bucket of hot coals on the back porch there and walked away from them. And then the wind blew the hot coals over and burnt a third of the place down to the ground back there. And they come in and bought a bunch of lumber and did a little fixing up to her, but still sitting there. She's telling me where to go. Oh, I don't like seeing this. I don't like seeing that. Some poor little child's out there. Only got one shoe. What you doing, girl? She's got to take out every spot. All right. Let's come down here in the road, girl. Oh, she's got to go pee. All right, let's go. Woo! That's my Echo. Only one in America I know does that. There she is. I'm getting off frame. Oh, you gotta go smell every tire too, don't you? Oh, you're gonna love this place. This is where Banjo lives. Banjo's a great little dog. Dog was born somewhere over in Africa. Oh, you smell him, don't you? You smell Banjo there, don't you? Look at that sunset over there. Hole in the clouds. The beams coming out. The sunburst. Ooh. She keeps jerking on me. She wants to come up here. Let's go this way, girl. Come on. I was going to try walking the street. Because the sidewalks aren't the best. My buddy Cricket's place here. Jerome. Let's go. Let's go this way, girl. Jerome hasn't seen my new haircut yet. She's gonna sit over there. Oh, these boys were from West Virginia. Look at there. You boys from Beckley? Maybe I already talked to these guys once before. My buddy Brady's place here on the right. It's where it's loading and unloading the firewood into the wheelbarrow, and I was taking it there in the back. Katona's indoors. No, girl, you don't get to eat Katona's food. Nope, you don't get to. No. No, you don't get to eat Katona's food. Oh, she tells me where to go. There we go. Oop, you better ready to goop me up here. I put the dirt in the holes on them 2 poles. Oh, now I think she's probably got to drop a deuce here. Yeah, so I'm going to have to clean it up because I'm working here. And I can't just leave a dog deuce. I think I got something in my pocket here. Did you drop one? Yep, she dropped one all right. Hold on a minute, girl. Hold on. I can't just leave dog do here at the place where I'm working. I can't just do that to people. I gotta pick up the dog do. The thing is, it takes a couple hands to get this. Oh my goodness. You guys hang out there for a while. This dog do really smells really bad. I don't know exactly how to do these bear dumpsters. There's that little bit. Hold on, girl. You guys are still there, ain't you? Okay. Sorry for the slight little interruption. I was not prepared for this. But, yeah, I think I got it. Oh, gotta do this again. All right. Now I think we're done. All right. All right, now. Get the drawing around here. Yep, that's where my boss lives. My boss, my employers. But they're out of state. That's why I didn't work for them this week. Now, come back around the corner here. We got a little bar here called the Bent Elbow or Banditos. She's friendly. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? She's really friendly. Oops. There we go. Yeah, she's super friendly.
Oh, she is nice.
I'm just walking for one of the bar patrons around the corner over here, Shady. What's your name?
What's your name? Marin.
Marin. That's a beautiful name. Yes. Did you dress yourself? Yes, you did, didn't you? Yes, you did. You did a great job on that. All right. My name is Doug. Nice to meet you. I don't remember the puppy's name. Nice to meet you. Have some pizza. Oh, that's so cute. Then we got the guy here that does the pottery. She knows she's getting back closer to her owner again. She knows. She knows. She knows where we're at. I couldn't tell you. I'm just an amateur dog walker. Oh, it's still going. Something happened there. I hit the power button and You guys are still doing it. I gotta go in here to the bathroom and wash my hand. So the other one have to help do it. So hopefully there's nobody in here. Okay. You guys are safe. Talk to y'all later.